Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the durable.co, that AI that helps you build a website. So as you can see right here, they say that AI that builds a website for you. So you just enter in a prompt on what you want your website to look like, and then they will generate, or the AI will generate the website for you. So as you can see, get your website live in seconds, find customers in minutes, save hours of manual work every week. So it all starts with a website. So if you're looking to start a website, you should try this out since it might be useful for you. So if you're wondering if this AI is useful, let's head on over here to Trustpilot and see that they're actually rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, which is excellent, with 192 reviews. So let's see the reviews here. So top 4s rated, top customers rated. She was so helpful in so many ways. One of the best providers. Easy to contact, and this person had a bad experience with them. And durable is simply the best. Durable is absolute best. 5 stars in an understatement. So far, shockingly great. Good AI model and excellent customer support. Help with transferring my domain name. Leodith was wonderful. Durable exceeded my expectations. And yeah, this product seems to be legit since it is an AI. And it basically just depends on the prompt that you enter in and basically how you customize your website. And that is basically it. If you want to go ahead and try this product out, by all means go. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.